I am sorry that this is going out a little later than usual, but thank you all for your prayers. I am feeling better, and I know it's my allergies. It's my allergies. I have really, really, really bad allergies, and I can't really, well, I can take medicine, but everything knocks me out. Everything puts me to sleep, so I don't like taking any type of medicine. So this is going out a little later, and I do apologize, but I am feeling better, and I thank you all for your prayers. But this morning in our devotional, I'll try to be quick because I know it's Saturday, and everybody's busy on Saturdays usually. But today it says, the race called Parenthood. Proverbs chapter 17, verse 16. Grandchildren are the crowning glory of the aged. Parents are the pride of their children. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 1 through 3. Children, obey your parents because you belong to the Lord. For this is the right thing to do. Honor your father and mother. This is the first commandment with a promise. If you honor your father and mother, things will go well for you, and you will have a long life on the earth. Colossians chapter 3, verse 21. Fathers, do not aggravate your children, or they will become discouraged. Luke chapter 1, verse 17. He will also go before him in the spirit and power of Elijah, to turn the hearts of the fathers to the children, and the disobedient to the wisdom of the just, to make ready a people prepared for the Lord. 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 5. I remember your genuine faith, for you share the faith that first filled your grandmother Lois and your mother Eunice, and I know the same faith continues strong in you. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. And at the bottom, it says, when a baby is born and quietly and delicately placed in your arms, you know your life is going to change. Your first encounter with a piece of your heart that will forever walk outside your body. Some parents remain in the starting blocks because they are trapped in a bad start. They are prisoners of the past and victims of their circumstances. Is not how you start, but how you finish that counts. Hug your kids, spend time with them, and tell them how much you love them. And that's a good devotional, because I know you all have heard me talk about, I wish I would have done better with my kids and done better teaching them about the Lord when they were little. So it's not how we started, but how we finish. And I hope that I finish pleasing to God, and that my children see how much they need Him. But that was short and sweet this morning. And again, I do appreciate your prayers. I am feeling better. And it's my allergies. I have really, really, really bad allergies. So maybe one day the Lord will bless me and heal me from them. That would be wonderful. But I love you guys very much. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is down in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven very, very soon. I love you guys. God bless.